Hi, I'm Carlos Morillo. I work as an application scientist here in JASCO Inc. And today I'm going to be talking about the different solutions that we offer to measure microplastics. Microplastics are considered an issue and a concern, environmental concern, because they can be present in different body of waters like seawater and fresh water. Any polymeric particle below 5 millimeters is considered a microplastic, and the most common materials that we can find is polyethylene and polypropylene. Polyethylene, it can be found in plastic bags, and polypropylene is also found in food packaging materials like wrapping candy. Today I'm showing the IRT 7200, that is our FTIR microscope especially for images, and this instrument is suitable for particles that have a size between 5 micrometers and 10 micrometers. This is our IR micro objective lens, and this is an acacia grain that we can see through it. It is called the clear view, and we can see the sample when it's in contact with the IR crystal. In this measurement, we are using an aperture of 100 micron by 100 micron. As any other FTIR measurement, we collect the background first, and then when the sample is in contact with the IR crystal, we do the measurement. After data is collected, we use FTIR databases to identify the material. The material that we found in this measurement is polypropylene. And this is one of the methods that we use for identification of microplastics. For more information about microplastics analysis, please visit our website jascoint.com/microplastics.